Okay guys, so over here I have the Nintendo Switch 2, and in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall or delete games and apps from your Nintendo Switch 2. Now to do this, first things first, you just want to identify the specific game you want to delete or uninstall from your Nintendo Switch 2. Take for instance, if I want to delete the Assassin's Creed game over here or the Fortnite game, I'll just head over to the settings of my Nintendo Switch 2. So just scroll down to where you have this settings icon over here, select it by clicking on A. Then you want to continuously scroll down until you get to the data management option over here, select that, and then scroll down to manage software option over here. And from here, you're going to see all of the list of games that are currently installed on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now, what you just want to do is to go ahead and select the specific game you want to delete. So the Assassin's Creed game over here, once I select it, over here, you can literally see the delete software option. So I can go ahead and delete this game by just clicking on delete. And now I can also choose whether I want to keep the Assassin's Creed game icon on the home page or just delete everything from my Nintendo Switch 2. If you want to delete everything, don't check this button over here, just scroll down and click on the delete button and automatically the game will be deleted. But if you actually have this game as a game card, you actually have to first and foremost remove the game card from your Nintendo Switch 2. So I'll just go ahead and remove mine and then now try to delete the game. So click on delete and automatically the game will be deleted from your Nintendo Switch 2. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.